is so na maybe 60 years or so, 50 years or 70 years. That for ever move ben and I'm your concern and I'm your shame. Oh, you hypocrite. Oh, you hypocrite too much. And you're fine. Mama and I'm aso and credit dear. And none and I'm say, or son and I'm say, if I had it, what can I say? Aden. I was an I am a so I am a choker. I am a sicker. What I say, or be one right, she can choose to do whatever that she wants to do. And in the she's a superstar. She, your person again, who also will seek her. That's a person also call you too, and also call you with your man. Also, call you, be a young.
It's here for only particular and particular one story. Just say. And then I won't come on China and I on the better job. Did let's say, Abrabasha Siano, Ubefa and Yoma Bebremu. Just say, a baby, Abrabonimu, a baby, and Yamebe, what do my pager will see, and the way any more number Bawafano. I had never moved say, oh, ya want to a yes, came, and I said, oh, dear, 50 as any, and then so say, ye bet pay more can cry. I don't want to pay more can I don't say. Woman a year about passem. The tea for your name is a superstar, a na nama, send a nama dear. Cecilia de Ghana had the Wajia bebia, and when you do a dear beer, what do you even why sensor? A picture, a beba will be so any a year na nama, man brown. Now, the name Nana Brown, the interview of Beko Piano, not just a what's in the custom one. Was 30 feet, baby. Now, same interviewer, a circulating crowd, and saying a number. Then send me to Jan and send much mono. What to say one? Eh, some money shen, ya, and they do nipa do na yanka. No one shoes mono, wa film papa. India, what come from a year, Kumasa Bontisuni and Libo. Just a ultimate and a man, someone. Not to say, yes, see, Emma will bring brew beer. Now, it's here for send or calculate here. Time and our year say Juma 1998. Anytime we be raised in the Chemu 2001, Ghana for Yabibia come from Ghana for some more the about to just say Nanama, and it's in the ordinary calculations near DNA, what film, I bet you Janet Nanama dear, 50 years when Yana Bearman on a granny pana, now it's here for ocean Ghana for the page on my no car. Na Ghana have cry idea na echo. Inse munchire munti. Me twa me wa ba na mo video ni enkohwese na maka na na me ba na yakeni na me de abeso.
Do me mean say me ba kasare mo me ba well 20 years. I'm 43 years. So if I had given birth around 22, 23, the which that time came to me give birth. Oh, okay, but again, so why you be to say me? Now in all these years you are struggling. To say they're not making me struggle, no. I will just ask you that if you're serious about say say when God is there for all of us, for every woman, because in his words he said Wambo baby I say bonini. So it means that it is your right to give birth and you have to pray to God to remember you on that. Again, you have to seek medical, medical transparent review. You have to find a good hospital.
Yes.
Share with them what you've been through and everything, because that's what I did. I shared with Finney Hospital what I've done in the years in looking for to be pregnant. No, I've done this, I've done that, I've done that. And it was okay, right. Let's give ourselves this time and then let's start from here. You know, and it helped. When they said that, I was like, yeah, that being, and also Sahano Mubeyo. Not quite said them before treatment. But let me give myself that time and then start. Because now, how long will you stay home and cry every day? Your own conscience will judge you, say you've not even made enough effort.
Yeah.
So sometimes you need to give yourself that time and a process and go through it with a doctor or obi betie me obaka say na waka asem no na fa me ko no wen sika no and usa bisa ho say na ne na won kokra Bible so say osoro boa de oboa no nti asem no unza still hang ho but then you can give yourself that time, prepare by saving kakra and also relaxing the body. I mean, God will not forget anyone.
No, He wouldn't.
I know. Hey, me now when I go and see my daughter sleep, I still believe that I'm because I'm feeling say, na me feel say me nyabi. Oh, na me feel say when.
Did you ever resign your mind? Say what you want?
To be honest with you, me any pet me ba me na da bia me sha me ho nkoma na me sha me ho bon so emanti me de no me de sa na me etwem ana. Also you imagine you have them, but I always had to believe that me this 60 years crime because in our time no there are options. Maybe IVF, and I've said everywhere. It is one of the options. It I feel say yeah time there are lucky options for into your time savings and sometimes Bema so crowd involved or support or benye free.
Okay.
It's also very, very important.
Okay.
Into name if unya nema way at the time, by the time no so we're ready.
Emum yemu bi wo haw papa just say for how how ele say wo hwe na na mansem wo de betu ja na welcome na hyase na wo running say na just say should be inspiring someone can just say motivate dodo na ma just say wo who say bi o ma hyase ne sha na mo wie ye de etimi ye kokoro na so nya ko ba say da bi o who say inspiring message or the my na go age na amount for etumi atina say calculate just say I can't take far for me sinkonya me sani fa so ye niaba ye niaba ba ko pe ye niaba ifiansro ma be kan sa wa ha akwa ba sho
Njumo so do.
say bibia ye fine
Nyame adum na so
bibia ye fine just say medwia ensi Esi then na Ghana, just say if someone mean business, someone is giving out a message, the important aspect of the message, for yes every day you name one say nippon can't say na pe faults be picky, ye one or two things ye the panel fell and I say esi then a man sees our mind. We don't celebrate our celebrities.
Yo, making kind afa akonya isu dia achia too much GH ahwefo mo shey na mbechia mu yesu dimo making ka say ene biase na ye wolo nipa hwehwe ana de adasama ehwehwe nipa odanfo say asem fa ne say so bi ko ya de pa ayeba won tie ho asem but manipa no koya de born she enu ohun bebe be fra ba na asem na ji hey no bia e no bia e kan bia me de ka me hu ye na madie na ko o ka ni life story there e de encourage obi because of ensem kekani concerning ebienhia akofo nsem ntino amasi say celebrities ni bebre no omo de omo nsem ayeden asho omo ye wo a lot of people are they have decided say ebia a situation that are going through no I'm sure say someone elsewhere somebody elsewhere is going through the same thing and can make me the means sem and say amanye bia mafem no eba betuja abo bi so nya esuamu bi ayede efrim but enkoba ne sa omusuro anase ehu bi kakra yede because omo nti so omo dey asem ne ba na mo dey ba beto abontin a enkofo be dey ebesiro omo se bia omo edi na ma ehu fe no enye fine say celebrity bi di na asem be dey eba betu jana mo ye den na mo ka mo di ne mo fe o enye ade pa
but me near ba won show age is just a number. Now Ocean ye way a Ghana for you be ya. Ne quack or yes, a pay a woo ye. And I yes, and a woman. Yes, yes, will be cost to an answer or be relationship. Cost to an answer, say a bully, say, yet to say, one year see, our winning goo, Nana College, didn't crap on it and tunnel. Oh, they said the way I am, you're not calling the way I am. Yet to me, so soon, you're maybe so as I say, yes, instead of yes, celebrating a year and call for the people at the top, you know. A man chess a Ghana for you to train 80 pounds.
She said, make her say, sorry, me social media abafu. Ama obia nipa bi kwa onsese obenya okaseti akra no ayden oba benya okaseti essence obesi bi 2 cities by then ato credit aba Instagram aba Facebook aba aba Twitter ntino obeti anasa aba YouTube ntino na wato no waba we yase no aba be di watem kwa no ko senka ye ba me sese ko bi di watem anaka wa man ya chini bana me sure se sa tem
And they say I cheat on a phone.
oh every day go senka ye yo musa because atem di nipa emu fe no adoso because enyo obia na owo akomani se obeji nya nika say Ghana fo bi mu ye de eye no obi say enyo ba enyo obia na ni sa akoma no obi o ma oye ni sa na eboto o fa ye beka say o sensa we celebrate the day ya wa de wasem ebeba amobia kana o mi say o person we celebrate ya ene ene de memba but na say me ma ye process celebrate de bia me ka say nya me ne si ni pa hene nya kokon ni say nipa wo be celebrate eye de ya na say ene obe ya be celebrate into no I am also on Casa and so you say, would to me, who read some of the comments I on Instagram saying, celebrating. Young is a money by celebrating, and young people, any Yamin celebrating. Never said Ghana will be a celebrity on their own.
Okay, my
me
now kind of person.
Okay, Martin.
As in, I will see Cassette celebrating Yamin is singing and they do sorry, I must say, and you won't per se become and yes, celebrity or something. And I'm person who say, the first we are celebrating it, you know. And see a few once in a while to the extent say, yes, said that compare and somewhere won't a bed young moving. The first way celebrating, I see yes,
no, and the entire Ghana for a pesad, no pan. The first way celebrating, no, and no, just say, I was said, Muye the Muko fast, me a shot and I send you all pan or tea. I would say, it's me pan a head. Yeah, I never was. To me, I Ghana for Mukawas and say, oh, and yet, fine, say, I was said Ghana for the Elsa. The fact that this is a celebration, no, doesn't mean say be our some year the Modican at so.
To the extent I must say, you couldn't granny. That's it.
I'll say any granule, if Ghana for say, I brought a small boy, no, worry, mammy, baby, 60 years. Bear one a failure, and I say, any choice, say, okay, Nipa will not depend a family in age or day, where your mother, mid away, I put in one more, person minutes now. And no woman back on a phone, I want to mean back on a day, and now, bear one no, I mean, and I'm a brow, Tiano, your own himself between an idea, at now, why shiny age? Or no cousin is simple because say the Pecas made them no worry or worry any better. It is so that this 60 years or so, 50 years or 70 years old. Ghana forever will be and a mere concern and a major shame. Oh, ye hypocrite. Oh, ye hypocrite too much. And you're fine. Mama and Nama are so credit, dear. And none and Nama say, or Tina and Nama say, if I added, what can I say? Added. I was an iron, except you, so I am to buy any sicker. What I say, or be one right, she can choose to do whatever that she wants to do. And she's a superstar. She, your person again, also was sick. That's a person also call you too, and also call you with your man. Also call you, I'll be on Yassem.
Cemetery, while not just and I'm all time and I'm my life man on it.
And you know too much. You life experience, you should learn and take something out of
it.
it.
Said to my opinion.
Yes, definitely.
I was so much into weight anchor. It would be good for a baby number.
And negative side.
Also, I celebrate a check. wa system ni mu ache Sunday ye we ananse ntema be PM fite ni show United Show Base kofa ba ye won sense mo nye good post on your professional and say na be PM ni 8 so begin on Sunday God na na ma 8 abetudwa eno akosi aga sisi online interview ko ya chese wo share the life experience sisi o ma calculate esu tie ne se mo kana calculation bi a share the ni musa o ma calculate won 8 so 50 no ne ye enet no na mama ebe affecting
oh yeah, ebe affecting.
If you have experience in the
of course, my dear, it doesn't matter what experience I want now. Share obi to me where skin obi o make say oh I have a soft skin and the don't make be an enka if it's a send the what it is enka wo but obi eja o ha na say wa ko adwuma na wa ko fie no na afi ade na start here dey play e wo nti nti yes na e kan wo say ade mo ne kwa na ma ye Ghana fo bi mo a omotu o menya dey esi mi so a mo dey o mo di matem say nti no effect wo ho effect one na make us say dey bia me ka say sumie kasa enka ebe ye nkofo bebre nsem dey epie ni esu o mo su ka sumie betima e daka enko beka ni na ye atujama nkofo aye dey ehu na ma ebe affect emotional trauma ebe kano but any so obe pani ni ma be asa better talking about on your professional showbiz na then ni bana kasa dey wa betu so no wan ko squad dey I'm retreat enyanko padu say obi o ko school akọ journalism school enso so endia na ma wo enye dubi no mo e dey wo
na chese
what you say it depend on the country so no ko school dey kin say because of your professional what do you mean
no quite the personal meaning na ni akoye upa chese ebe affecting
oh that's emotionally
how strong she is
oh I know she's a strong woman what I say but emotionally nebeka no also kwa na no gini nwa ebeka no
obeje futu kakra dia mai ye niaba ye mame ye auntie ye no na mama brown
yo me mame na ma ho fe dua chese me hu se ya na ma bodde me hu se na chese me hu nya me nya me samani dia me bo pipa ai nya me kan se entie Ghana for the me twihye ni oya papa o beka why nya papa so o beka ai but the mekan say she will sapo mu kina she will sapo mu ede you so o tough skin ai but me ntie Ghana for se mo me de omo kika dia fa omo omo ka o say we 50 so what is 70 krana ukunu do you don't even look your age. She said was here akra o fine we be mo di 50 45 but mo body o my body ni na ashrenko but who you are still keeping a bakra o mu yeti the mechanic say me ntie Ghana for afi foot of akra me wodi ma Ghana for ni say so be balance of the nasem life experience any better bontia next year we say mo share the negative side of the person mo share the positive side na mo for be free mo find there every bo bra na lu mo be there every bo mo asini say mo be gina o my mo calculating na mo calculating for calculating na mama brown ni age ni life history no enye fine see na foot wala say see ni life experience or there ababetu dia na also from a foot so never dey never bo bra na me sure say what the can also experience a was start here wo di abrabo imu a ebe bo na mo nche ko concern kasakasa mo ko small credit na mo di ni party mo nche small credit na mo di ni party enye fine yes mo nche na mwa
Bini abefi amidasi. Midasi. Nyami sure wetie for me ni eye fi ansroma na etwetwe eye enkomo yi na wo hwe se na eye enkomo didie yi ekopie mu a wadwenche wo ho anything also wadwenche didi pa mo de ja to your comment section. So I subscribe to too much channel to one and say too much there. You were too much at the mouth. A bit pensive somewhere you know. No one will my secret. Then like and share and promote a channel where meeting any messy cow doesn't the best issue.